Hi, this is the tool that can save you some time by cutting out the segments through the line you make with your mouse. And if you would like to get this tool, I will put a link to the Gumroad in the description right below the video. Okay, so how to install the add-on. First, you need to find the folder scripts, and the easiest way to do that is just find your file directory, open file location, and another one, open file location, and this is the place where the script folder is. Now, before you do anything, just make sure you will get a copy of this folder. So in the case of something bad will happen, you will have a backup. Now I made a quick cut and damaged on purpose the inside files of the folder script so you can see what can go possibly wrong. Now, if you'll try to run the QCAD, it will crash, but it's okay, everything is fine, we are prepared for this. Just delete the folder scripts and rename the backup to the original name. Now, if you'll try to rerun the QCAD, you'll see that everything works perfectly fine. So let's get back to the folder scripts. In folder scripts, you have one folder MISC and one txt file. And if you open up the QCAD, hold on, you can see that the folder MISC is right here. So this is the place when your QCAD scripts are installed by default. And for example, you can search for the dovetail joint, so you can click and click again. And there are many other scripts you can explore, and all of it is stored in the MISC folder, examples, and as you can see, the dovetail is right here. So this is the JS script. So for now, let's just close the QCAD. Yep. Open the folder when you just download the bEraser zip file. Now it's kind of easy because everything you have to do is open up the folder script, drag the bEraser zip folder, extract, and there it is. You can delete the bEraser zip. Now you just need to reopen the QCAD. This is the place in the menu bar when the add-on gets installed. So if you click on the menu bar bTools, you will see there is the tool bEraser. And another place you can find the bEraser is right here. And if you just can't see, right click toolbars and search for the bTools. And if you click the eraser icon, you can see that now your cursor is the crosshair. And if you hold the left mouse button, you will see the purple line. The purple line is obviously our eraser. So if you want, for example, to cut out this segment, you just have to drag left mouse button through the segment so it can erase it. Now let's just move to the more complicated stuff. Well, it's not complicated at all. You just pick the erasing tool and erase whatever you want. The straight line, the circle, the curve, the dimension, the hatch, the image, the text, and you can also, let me just first look at the layer. You can also avoid of erasing something that is locked. Now there are two ways of erase. The first one is like this one, drag to erase, the basic one, and shift click to start a straight line. So in that case, you just shift click, follow the line and click again to erase the segments in the straight line. The other way to trigger the tool is simply by using the command line right here. So to make the cursor appear here, you can just press space. Space is basically focusing the command line, or you can just click right here and type bEraser. Now the tool is activated and you can erase. Of course, you can always use the icon as long as it won't drive to the madness by clicking on and on again. So the fastest way obviously is just using the shortcuts. So go for the edit, application preferences, tools, and now in the filter tab you can type bEraser. Here it is. Now go for the shortcut tab and you can type here whatever you want, but I recommend you to type E, then R, click add, apply, OK, and by clicking ER you can use the tool. Now there's also one thing. I have no idea why am I holding the tools right here. So if you're dumb like me, you can hold the handler. Okay, got this. And you can move up right here just to make your canvas bigger.